SEOscience.com.
Bard is Google's proprietary AI that they use in the search engine and will be becoming more and more standard as time goes on.
Yeah. Is it called
And
Gemini now? I think, is it?
oh yeah, you're right. Yes, it got
Yeah.
updated to Gemini. That's right.
Yeah.
Uh,
This is whoa, strange. Switch that
yeah,
name fast.
I preferred the name Bard, to be honest. It was
Yeah, I
pretty.
thought Bard's was a
Uh,
good name.
but yeah, the and then ChatGPT was integrated into Bing quite recently. As far as for a casual user, I do believe Bing is probably better now than Google. Google has recently, in the past a year and a half, overly emphasized the importance of like shop results. So if you Google like for a product, you might as well be looking at a store page for that product. Whereas when you use Bing right now, you can have a conversation with it and it will tell you everything that you might want to know about a subject or topic, and it will provide you with links to those websites, which well, in the future, maybe it might become a lot more lucrative to be featured on Bing. Currently, a lot of SEO agencies don't really emphasize Bing, but again, it comes standard with Windows. And it's always a sale or a conversion that could be missed out on if you're not properly adhering to it.